have no idea how excited I've been about this package since it came in yesterday. I have so many packages. I've gotten the new keyboard just in time because as you guys know, here I am typing perfectly normal, you might think, right? And I put shift question mark. Do you see that?
Oh my God!
Look at my keyboard. I don't know what it's doing. It's crazy. Look, it's typing.
Oh my God!
I don't even know how it's doing that. Like, it's so random. It's so weird. My computer didn't start doing this until I ordered a new keyboard because my keyboard was beautiful. But all of a sudden, this past week, it's been going crazy because maybe I've been talking about the wooting too much. I'm sorry. That is the reason we need a new keyboard. Which one do you guys want to open first? I don't know. Should we start small? Maybe this one. You guys don't even know what this is for. Oh my God. You guys don't even know. Oh my gosh. They're so cute. I got some key straps. Look how cute that is. Is that not so cute? It's Jigglypuff. I think our theme is yellow, so we might go Psyduck. Oh my gosh. Next up, we have... Ooh! Wow! The Gateron magnetic switches. These are the magnetic jade switches. Oh my God, and they're green! I love... Should I smell it? Next up, we have... Ooh. Look at my keys. Wow. Aren't they cute? And I remember when I was showing you earlier, the bees? Look at the bees. I'm definitely going to use them for my WASD somehow. Ah! Oh. Oh my God, there's so many things in here. I don't know what to look at first. Ooh. The module. The L45 lacquer switches. Ooh, they're yellow. Ooh, they're so pretty. Okay, what's this? Ready? Double shot wooting keycaps. I'm so excited about this. You have no idea. The wooting60he. It's the case. Ooh, it comes with another one too. It's all packaged. Wow. Do you see that? It's so tiny. Guys, this is insane. It's so small compared to my keyboard. I've never had a small keyboard before. That's so weird. Ooh. Oh, that's so weird. Oh my gosh. Ooh. It comes double layered. Wow. Ooh. Okay, I need to be delicate, Alex, delicate. This is what I thought was so cool. Every single switch key has something different. Look, it's a little mustachey. Oh, look at that. It's sticking to the head. Isn't that funny? Excellent. 1, 2, 3, remove. Oh my God. Okay, I did it. Guys, I did it. Okay, this is silicone, and we're gonna put in Foamicon. Okay, so when should I tape it? Do I tape it before or after? There we go. It aligns. Okay, I'm doing it just snug right now. I'm just making everything is on. Oh my God, this is hard. Can you believe people do like custom keyboards for like a job? That sounds so fun. Ta-da! Okay, it's not crumbs. I only got cat hair and definitely not my own hair. Beautiful. Now we're gonna do the scary part. We're gonna tape the back. I'm scared. We need 2 layers, they said, on a 60% keyboard. It's 2 layers of masking tape. 3. Okay. We just need to poke holes through the hole. 1 here. Now put it in from this thingy first, right? The top, then lay the rest down. Ah! Okay! And now we screw it in. Oh God, I cannot feel it. I've never put in a switch before. Ooh. That was a snap. Snap, snap, snap. So pretty. Wow. Oh my. Okay, listen to this. It sounds so good so far. Oh! Oh my God! Listen to my keyboard. But listen to this. Sorry. Oh my God. You guys probably turned up the volume for it to sound great. I definitely want to make my spacebar yellow. So we're going to do that first. There we go. Stop it. And then we have the bees. Oh my gosh. My WASD. Tell me that is not so cute. Q W. Oh my God. I'm trolling. Q W W. Now I have to take out the whole thing. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. I love you so much. Strap time. Oh my gosh. Oh my God! Tell me that is not so cute. Oh my gosh. Sigh. Okay, let's do a sound test. It sounds so good and it's so tiny. I love it so much. Okay, I'm gonna plug it into the back. Okay. Oh, it lit up! Oh my gosh. Whoa. You can change the colors. Oh my God, right now it's doing like rainbow effect. Ooh, you could choose the brightness. Cycle. Ooh, it changes the color. That's cool. I like the wave. I like this one a lot. You could change a specific key to be a different color. Wait. Okay, I have an idea. Everything, it's gonna be a different color. Okay, maybe like this and then WASD. Oh, do you see that? And I can make it red if I wanted to. Oh, that is so cool. You could change individual keys. Ooh, you could do ocean wave, inferno wave, spring. No, we don't like the spring chord. Pink. I like the rainbow. I think rainbow is very cute. You guys think it's cute?